Hello, JD Marchant. And what are you doing today?
Snowmobiling.
Are you having a blast?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are, aren't we? Woo! We got whose snowmobile do we have?
Mommy's grandparents.
No. That's godparents.
Godparents.
Uncle Rolly. Yeah, he's letting us use it here and there. Isn't it awesome?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're out on the field right now. We've been running all over the place. It is cold out here, isn't it?
Can we put this on the smart board?
On the smart board? I don't know. They might let you. You might ask Miss Dooley. We'll ask Miss Dooley if we can put it on the smart board. How's that?
Yeah.
How fast were we going?
So fast.
Were we going fast?
So fast.
Was it awesome?
Yeah.
All right.
Want to see a real helmet?
Well, yeah, there's a real helmet. Dad's helmet.
Take a picture.
You want me to take a picture? I'm taking a video right now. How's your goggles? Is your mouth warm?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
I'm gonna
What's the best thing we've done on the snowmobile so far?
going fast.
Yeah, we go super fast, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, you want to say goodbye to everybody?